guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tidy up and clean before work, tackling my to-do list. But before I get into my video, I want to introduce you guys to Marissa. I'm going to be doing a collaboration with her today, so definitely head over to her channel once you finish watching here and subscribe. She is a stay-at-home mom of 2 little boys, and then also she is a wife, and she does a lot of cleaning motivation, lifestyle, day in the life type videos. She also does some hauls and things like that over there. So definitely head over there, leave a comment below when you go over there, let her know that I sent you guys over there. And if you're here from Marissa's channel, I want to say welcome. My name's Natasha. I also do lifestyle, cleaning, organization, decor type videos. I'm a mother. I'm here basically to motivate you. I made this channel as an outlet for myself to express myself and share things with you guys. So if this is something that you guys think that you would like, definitely subscribe, leave any comments below. I love to hear from you guys. If you're one of my oldies, again, thank you guys for supporting me. We're growing here and I love making these videos. So basically today, what I'm doing is I'm actually gonna do a load of laundry. So what I've done is maybe 3 times out of the week, I put a load of laundry a day in the washing machine. This helps me when the weekend time comes so I'm not overwhelmed and piled up with a whole bunch of clothes. I mean, I'm going to still have laundry, but at least it wouldn't be a crazy amount of loads of clothes. Maybe 2-3 loads at the most instead of 5 and 6 loads, things like that. So here I'm just tidying up my bathroom, just wiping it up. As you can see, it's not dirty. I just want to wipe it down and get it a little bit more cleaner. Basically refresh it. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys basically my routine of what I do before I go ahead and start my day of, getting into my work schedule. I definitely have to say, since I decluttered and organized my bathroom, especially my counter space, it has been a lot more simpler and getting through cleaning my bathroom a lot easier. I don't have to move all those items out of the way and all of that stuff. So whatever you can do to make your task easier and simpler for the day, definitely think about doing that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just tidy up my bed. My husband was in here earlier, as I would have done this first before I tackled the bathroom. And also my son, as you can see, is still sleeping. So I wanted to give him time to get himself together to wake up a little bit. I don't want to make it too neat because usually once he gets up, he also always comes into my bed and lays in it. So it'll get messed up again anyway. But I just wanted to make it look a little bit more presentable.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun 2009.
This past weekend I was so happy because I don't know if you guys remember when you see certain videos from me, my dresser always had a pile of papers over there in the corner. My husband actually went ahead and cleaned that up, and those were just papers left from yesterday that he had to go through. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the girls' room. I usually make up their bed in the morning times for school. On the weekends, I definitely let Zoe go ahead and make up the bed so she can get into the routine of cleaning up her space. But because it's a school day, I went ahead and got their room together and just gonna go ahead and get some things straightened out so it can, you know, be tidy for the day.
First kiss, we were so damn high, we could touch the sky. Drunk on love, drunk on your lips, the feeling I will forever miss. And I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was all
So right now I'm gonna go ahead and sweep out the laundry room. As I told you guys before, my dog sheds certain times of the year, so I want to clean up the hair from in here before I go ahead and start putting the clothes in the washing machine. So I'm gonna just straighten out in here a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and get the load of clothes started for the day.
First love, we were young and wild, we were up all night.
So now since I'm making my breakfast, I'm gonna just go ahead and empty out the dishwasher and then also wash up the few dishes that are in the sink, and then just wipe down the counters and get anything that needs to come off of the counters put up into their spaces that it needs to go into. So later on this evening, once I get off of work, I don't have too much cleaning up that I have to do. I'd like to know if any of you ladies that are watching work from home, and if you do, how do you like it, and was it an easy transition for you coming out of, you know, working in the office to being at home? How did you adjust? Leave a comment below. Here I'm going to just spray down the counters with the Home and Planet lavender scent that I have from Target. I still have a little bit of it left, so I'm still trying to use that out. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down the counter spaces to make sure that they're clean. There's no crumbs or anything on there. So my husband was over here working in the space, so I'm just gonna leave that there for him to go back to that area when he comes back in. And you can see my daughter stayed home with me on this day, so she's watching her show. And I'm gonna go ahead and, as I said before, tidy off the counters, and I'm gonna take Zoe's laptop into her room and get everything else off of there. And as you can see, everything is bare. I got tired of the stuff that was up there, so I'm getting into the mindset of decorating for spring coming up. So here I'm basically just wrapping things up. I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Again, if you're from Marissa's channel, definitely subscribe. I would love to have you here. And remember, once you finish watching this, head over to her channel and check out her video.